Question 7 asks us to factor the following polynomial of x squared minus 10x plus 9. First step is going to be to figure out what our m and p values are. If there's no number coefficient in front of our x squared, that's just a 1. So we're looking for two numbers, m and p, that equal a times c, which is going to be 1 times 9, which is going to be 9. So looking for the factors of 9, being 1 and 9, and 3 and 3. And they also must add to our b term, which in this case is negative 10. Because we want a negative number, we can make all of these numbers down here negative, because a negative times a negative will still be positive. And then we're looking for which pair adds to negative 10. That would be negative 1 and negative 9. So we can now write this as x squared, break our negative 10 into negative 1x minus 9x plus 9. Grouping these two terms, make that a plus, make that a negative. My next step is to factor out my greatest common factor from each of our parentheses. The greatest common factor of x squared minus 1x would be x. Take an x out, I get x minus 1 remaining. My greatest common factor of negative 9x plus 9 could be either 9 or negative 9. I'm going to take negative 9 out, which leaves me with x minus 1. The reason why I want to take the negative 9 out is so that my two terms here are the same, which means we can now de-distribute or factor out the x minus 1, which leaves me with x plus the negative 9. So my factored form is x minus 1 and x minus 9, or x plus the negative 9. To check to make sure I have the correct answer, I can go ahead and refoil these by distributing my x, my negative 1, my x to the negative 9, and the negative 1 to negative 9. X times x is x squared. X times negative 9 is negative 9x. Negative 1 times x is negative 1x. And negative 1 times negative 9 is a positive 9. So that equals x squared minus 10x after I combine my two x terms plus 9. So that checks out.